I think the most interesting aspect from my point of view has been the emergence of the luxury and the super luxury segments. You know, look, people like Porsche with their whole e-mobility stand. I think if you put that kind of a halo around it with those kind of high-end vehicles, then obviously the interest is going to trickle down into the mass market. The other aspect to it, if you look at what Toyota are doing, you know, they're quite proudly saying in terms of hybrids, you know, we're the number one here. We've got 5.5 million vehicles already on the road, and then even full EVs, you know, we're here outside the Smart stand. There's a lot of battery electric vehicles that are readily available, running around in car-to-go fleets and several other fleets. And I think that's going to be one of the next big things for sure. Certainly, firstly in plug-in hybrids, and then battery electric vehicles in the longer term. Mobility integration is something certainly that we at Frost & Sullivan believe is one of the next big trends. And we've been talking about it really for a couple of years, but we're now starting to see the emergence of things with one digitally enabled ticket. You've mentioned about Movable. That's certainly good to get all of the information you need on a smartphone app, but we believe the future, the next step beyond that, is to actually get this all integrated into one ticket and actually to move beyond just the regional boundaries to make this a real international product, certainly across Europe and potentially even internationally. You know, the technology's there. The only barriers to this are, of course, some of the administrative stuff and making sure that there's cooperation amongst all of the operators and the providers. So once we've got that in place, the technology's there to leverage a digital ticket to enable door-to-door, one-stop shop mobility integration.